Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Mix It Up app to create a daily redeem for your Twitch channel. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go into your Twitch dashboard and under Viewer Rewards, click Power Ups and Channel Points. And you are going to add a new custom reward, name it what you want, just put a description if you want, that is optional. Make it cost whatever you want, add your icon, your color, and then the most important thing for the daily redeems is to turn on cooldowns and limits. And right at the very bottom, the last one, limit redemptions per user per stream. You're going to want that to be set to 1. That means every viewer who comes into your stream can redeem this daily redeem one time during that stream. And then you'll create yours. I already have mine made, so I'm just canceling it. But this is exactly what mine looks like. I have bookish themed channel, so mine is a daily book, and you add a daily book to your shelf. And again, limit redemptions per user per stream is 1. And then I even went a step above. This you do not have to do. But if you wanted to add a little bit of spice to yours, get a little bit creative and you want to add something additional to it, like since mine is daily books, I have book genres that I made a list of in the Notepad app on my computer. So all of these different book genres right here, people can get a different one each time they redeem it for the day. So I typed all of these different genres in there, and then I saved that to my PC. So just keep that in mind for later. And now you're going to go into Mix It Up, and you're going to go to the currency, rank, and inventory section, which is right there. You're going to add a currency and rank. You're going to name it whatever you would like right here. Make sure you turn off is primary, and then the online rate, disable that. And then you'll click save. Again, I already have this created, so I can't click save, but mine is named books. Primary is off, and disabled is off as well for the online rate. Save that. The only one of these that really matters in this moment is the top one. So mine is $user books. Make note of whatever yours is. And then go into Twitch channel points and Mix It Up and add a command to existing reward and pick your daily redeem there. So once you have your daily redeem picked up, I have overlays in images and videos because I have an image that pops up on there, and I have a one for text to say who redeemed it, and then a sound plays. Those are all optional, but if you want to add an image, you just click overlay images and videos and then image, and then however long you want the image to be up there, and then browse and find that photo in your computer. Size. And I also mess with the position. I prefer to do percentage versus simple. So this is just how I have mine on my screen, and then I added text to say $username checked out their daily book, so that will pop up under my image. And then sound, if you would like a sound to play with your redeem, you obviously just add a sound action from the bottom here, and then play sound, and then choose where your sound is saved to on your computer. And then something that is very important is make sure the audio output device is the Mix It Up overlay, and then the volume. And then you're going to add another action for consumables, which your consumable is going to be whatever your daily redeem is. The action is going to be add to user, and the amount is going to be 1. And then if you did my extra step to spice your redeem up a little bit, you're going to add it as a file read and write action, and then read random line from file and pick where your file is saved to. And then you're going to create a special identifier name. So since mine again is books and I want people to get a different genre of book every day, I named my special identifier genre. And then last but not least, you're going to add a chat message. I like to send it as streamer, so it looks like I am the one sending the message to whoever redeemed it. And then you make the chat message whatever you would like to say. The important things is $ username. That is how Mix It Up identifies who triggered the redeem. $ genre, because again, in my case, for my file read and write special identifier, I named a genre. So $ is the command sign for Mix It Up. So $ genre is important. And then $ user books. That is because I named my consumable books. So whichever one was at the first of your currency that I told you to write down earlier. And then you save it, and then you can go into, let me go into here and I'll just go to my main page. It's not going to be capturing anything because this is just, this is what it looks like when I stream and have my game up and everything though. Then you can go into Mix It Up and you can, oh, it's not going to be covering my thing, but where your daily redeem under Twitch channel points is, you can click a button that looks like a play button and that tests the command, and you'll see that here. So that is what mine looks like. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.